5 on the spot.
My last year, I'm not even. Yeah, it's my last year.
Oh, here you go. Alright, here we go. On the legendary Fireball. It's so legendary.
It's what made my channel popular. My breakout reel. Stop again.
Whoa,
Wow.
kicking makes it like swing more.
Let's keep doing it then.
Here we go.
Whoa! Whoa! Who would have thought one of Saj's crazy ideas worked? Whoa! Wow. It's kind of fun.
Hopefully I got it.
That was pretty fun.
That was really
I actually don't remember it being that fun.
It doesn't look like it. Please tell I've been filming the stabilization. I haven't all day. You know what that means? What? Post-production. Actually, it does look better in post.
Well,
Stabilize it.
what do you mean you have to turn on stabilization?
You can turn it off. I turn it off all day.